Hey everyone, today we're going to go over how to use the Edge1. With the Edge1, you can process your drone data in the field and can make decisions minutes after your flight with up-to-date, accurate data. Before you get started, you should check to make sure the Edge1 is charged. You'll know the battery life from the LEDs surrounding the power button. If the battery life is above 25%, it will glow white. It will start flashing orange when its battery is critically low. Turn on the Edge1 by pressing once on the button, then pressing and holding the button for 4 seconds. The button LEDs will start flashing white. The Edge1 is ready when the LEDs below the button turn blue and the button LEDs are solid white. On your iPad, go to open the Settings app, then select Wi-Fi and find your Edge1 Wi-Fi. Its name will be ED1 followed by your Edge1 serial number. The password is Edge1-AP. Open the Edge1 iOS app. The app should automatically connect to your Edge, and you should see the processing tab. The Edge1 positions itself in 2 ways, using an RTK account with a SIM card, or manually positioning using a known point like a GCP location or checkpoint. To set up your RTK account, navigate to the Settings tab in the Edge1 app. Tap on the blue Add New button. There are 6 fields to fill out. You can get this information from your RTK provider. Once finished, tap Save Account. In the settings, you can also choose your TXT point cloud indexing, your language settings, and view your software versions. Make sure to verify your high-precision package is ready for use. Check your SD card to determine if it has space to hold your mission data. Ensure your iPad and remote controller are charged, and your Explorer 1 has enough batteries for your mission. Be sure to also bring a tripod for your Edge1 and an activated SIM card if you're planning on finding your location using the Edge1's self-positioning feature. Thanks for watching.